Hello little learners, today we are going to draw a cute little bed. First we are going to draw a big oval. Great! Now it's time to draw two little ears. Perfect! Now we are going to make two little eyes and one nose. Now it's time to make our bed wings. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great! Now I'm going to make legs of my bed. See, our cute bed is ready. It's time to choose one color for our bed. So we are going to choose sky blue color. Great choice. In our wings, we will do rainbow coloring. First, we are going to choose blue color. Now it's time for green color. Draw with me, kids. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color.
Amazing!
Now for our ears we are going to choose pink color, and we are doing the same color in our bed legs as well. Great! Now red color for our bed nose. Now we are going to add some detailing into our picture. Great! Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.